Hi, Dave Loew, Loewsknives. A little video about opening up and using a Tek-Lok. You see this little tab right here? It has little slots in it for your fingernail. You just push that down. Push that down. It locks in place. Push it down. Get it out of the way. And then you're allowed to squeeze these together to open it. Simple as that. Close it. Put the lock back. It's set to go. Open it, squeeze it, open. You have these little tabs right here. You see these little tabs? They can be moved anywhere on this. You just pry them up with your fingers or get a little screwdriver and pry them up and move them wherever you want, to the width of your belt or your strap that you're attaching it to. So you move these around. I like it right there. I close it. I lock it in place. And then I just slide my belt through. That's all you got to do. It's all set up for you. It's all set up for your pack or whatever. You want to take it off your pack, take it off your belt, pop that open, squeeze these together, open it up. That's all you got to do. Simple as that.